How to fix Bluetooth keeps disconnecting randomly in Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, make sure that your Bluetooth device is on the range and it is not far away. And after that, go to Windows and type Bluetooth and other device settings and open up the fast option. And from here, remove the unwanted Bluetooth devices, unpair it or remove it. And make sure that your Bluetooth device is connected and is working properly. Go to Windows and type Troubleshoot settings. And from here, run the Bluetooth Troubleshooter and it will help to fix any issues on your computer and fix the issue. Now the next option is to go to Device Manager. From here, select Bluetooth and select your Bluetooth driver and go to Properties and select Power Management and make sure you uncheck the first option and click on OK. If it is not working, disable the device or you can uninstall the device and reinstall from here. Go to Action and click on Scan for hardware changes and it will automatically detect the changes and it will try to fix your issue. And if not, you can go to your browser and go to your manufacturer's website and download the latest version of Bluetooth drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website and after that you can download the driver and assistant and that software will automatically help you to detect the driver issues and problems and will assist you in downloading and installing the latest version of the drivers on your computer. So these are some of the fixes for Bluetooth keeps disconnecting randomly in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.